Okay, so measure 1 flowing into measure 2, that will actually repeat again. So when you see this first phrase, you'll then jump backwards to the beginning when you hit this 2 and this 2 measure repeat sign. When you're finished with this measure the second time and that rest, which is why I clicked, you'll then head into the next section. This is a 1 measure phrase that repeats 1, 2 times. So you'll play it once, a second time, and then a third time, and then you'll play the ending tag, the 1, 2, and 3. Buzz rolls that happen, we're supposed to have just 2 strokes inside of that, and then the release on the next 8th note. So inside of this 2, could cram more notes in there, but that's a kind of a different technique. It's a zippier sound. We don't necessarily need that. What you can do to make it easier on yourself is just make sure your hands are getting lots of multiple bounces inside. Taking time to perfect that is going to make your job in this song a lot easier. There is no sticking that's given to you in this, and so what I chose to use is natural sticking. A lot of right hand leads because I'm a right-handed player. In fact, none of the buzz rolls that I am shown to play in this song, I play starting off of the left. You can do that if you choose to. For instance, look at measure 5. This measure would imply that you might consider playing that buzz roll off the left. Right, right, left, right, left, right, left, tagging that last note with right, left. However, I chose to do that as a doubled right beforehand. Right, so you can choose to perform that how you want to. Just make sure that you're using sticking that's going to make you sound the best. At the end of the day, sound is really important. We can always work on our left hand and make it sound a little bit better, but in the moment when we're trying to perform, we always want to go for what we're going to sound best with. Last thing that I'll say is that measure 1 and measure 2 are tricky. You'll notice that they're almost exactly the same from the beginning. You have 1E and 2 and bzzz 4, 1E and bzzz 3, and then 4 is the rest. So the buzz happens on beat 3 in the first measure and then on beat 2 in the second measure. Click. Don't forget to like and subscribe.